Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment today and we got to take a look at a plug toilet. We're going to pull the toilet and see what we find. So we're going to take the toilet up and snake the man. No, the only difference you have is storm and sanitary. So any rainwater, that goes to the storm, that goes directly to the lake, right? And then everything internal, kitchen, bathroom, laundry,
all goes the same place.
Everything else goes to the treatment plant, right? And then it all gets treated and then it gets pushed out to the lake. Alright, here we go. drain's clear. I'm just putting in one more cable just to make sure we go far enough. It's all connected. So that's going to run to here. So if you run a cycle there, it's clear now. So the problem's always at the lowest end. This style of machine, or yeah. What's that? Yeah. Like you can use the smaller machines, there's the smaller ones. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't, right? You have access to the larger one. Yeah, bigger's always better. But sometimes it won't clear. Sometimes you gotta use the small one. The blockage is so big and you're going around so many problems. Yeah, sometimes the big one won't even do it. Okay, if you want to run a cycle, don't be scared. A lot of it feels like toilet paper. because it is breaking up pretty easily. Let's see. That's not. All right, I think we're good.
I think so.
I think so. So I'm gonna take my machine out.
Okay.
I'm gonna get you a new gasket. I'm gonna get you some new bolts, because when they cut these, they never cut them flush. You can't get the nuts back on.
Okay.
So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some long ones on there.
Okay.
I'm not gonna cut them. That way, in the future, if it ever needs to come off, it'll come off super easy. There's been times where I got a drain flooding and the nuts won't come off. And it's like I spent half an hour trying to cut the bolts off, where it's like if they were just left alone, you don't have no issues, right?
Right.
So as long as that's okay with you, that
Yeah.
I keep them straight, and it'll be better off in the end.
Okay.
And the new gasket, you always need a new gasket. So.
All this garbage.
So, paper, some tampons,
Yep.
paper. So, that's about it. So, let me do that, and then I will come back and put everything back together. So I think the washing machine is discharging right now.
Right.
You can actually hear it.
Yeah.
What's that?
Bathtub should be okay too.
Well, yeah, because I had the water running in the bathtub.
Oh,
remember?
Yeah.
All right, I'll be back for the tarps in 1 second.
And I'm spending some time to get everyone who's already booked to sign it as well. It's just going to take me some time because I'm doing it while also doing it. So yeah,
All right, guys, there you go. We pulled the toilet, snaked it out, pulled back some wipes, toilet paper, and tampons. If you guys liked the video, thanks for watching. Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.